Hi, welcome to the bar. Today we're going to learn how to upload a video on YouTube in 2025. First, you open your browser, you go to your YouTube channel, you go over here where it says upload a video, upload videos, this arrow shooting up. So you click on the arrow and then you see something like this, which you click here, select files. So you come to select files and then you go to wherever or the kind of video that you want to upload on YouTube. So this is the video I want to upload on YouTube. So you click on the video and then you go to upload. Give it a time and then it will bring you here. So here you can title your video. So this time I'm going to call my video Ghana Independent. And then the best part is the description. Ghana Independent Celebration. And then another great aspect that you need to do, there's something called thumbnail. You come over here, you see this, upload a file. If you don't upload pre-made thumbnail, then YouTube is going to give you one when this video here finish uploading. It will pick one for you which you might not like it. So if you have one already made, you go to upload a file and then you pick your thumbnail, go to upload. So this is the thumbnail that I did for this particular video. And then you go over here, you go to playlist. So you can add your video to the playlist. Okay. If you don't have any playlist, you can create one. It's good to create a playlist. So you go to new and then you give it any title. But in this case, I have playlist already. So you can add, if you can have multiple playlists. And you can add to all of them. And then you go to done. And then over here, make sure you take this one. No, it's not made for kids. And then you also go to show more. It's not altered content. So you go to no. You can even tag it, whatever tags that you want. So the tags can be even the title like Ghana or Independence. Okay, or Ghana Independence Celebration. You can write as many as you want, up to 500 letters. Okay. So you just go straight to next. And then the video elements. When you come over here, there's something called add screen and add cards. So you go to add over here. It's very important. Most of the time, this is what I do. You can pick in one from here. But usually I go over here, I go to elements, and then it gives you options. Video, playlist, subscribe, channel, link. So in this case, let's go to video. So you go to video and you can bring it to anywhere that you want it to be. Okay. And this time around, it's like most recent video uploads will come over here. And then you can come here again. You can change it. You can change it to best for viewer, or you can also choose a specific video for it to show over here. In this case, I would like to go with most recent upload. And then you can click here again and either let's use subscribe. Okay, so your icon will also pop over here and you can drag it down to the middle to match this one. And after you can save, you can even do more. You can do another one, but it's okay, two it's enough. And then you click save. And you come to add cards. Add cards, it's very important. You can add cards, can be different videos. So this time around, you can bring this to wherever that you want the card to show. So I'll bring mine here and then you can pick either a video, playlist, or channel. So let's go to video and then you can click on any video or you can pick any video. So I'll pick this one, how to make images move in CapCut. And then you save. Okay. Then from here you go to next, and then it will bring you to checks. Checks, it's something. Checks is pretty much copyright. So if you don't have any music or if you don't have any copyrighted content, then you're good to go. There's nothing that you can do here. It's for YouTube. So they will run like a background check on the particular video to see if you can find any any copyright content in that particular video. So this time around, you can't do anything, okay? Then we click next to bring you to visibility. When you come over here, you have a lot of options. You can private the video, and you can share the video privately to whoever that you want them to watch the video. So that's option 1. And then you can also unlist the video. And when you unlisted the video, you can copy this link and then share it to people to watch. Or you can go to public. When you go to public, you have other options too. You can choose publish now for your video to go public like now. And then you can also set the video as instant premiere. You can click this one and then bring it to instant premiere. And then you go publish, and it will come as a premiere in the form of live for people to watch. And then you can also schedule the video. I like to schedule my videos, so I'd rather go here and then do the schedule. I like the schedule because I can give it any time. I can even let the video come in a week time or tomorrow or a particular time. So in this case, I'll let the video come tomorrow at 12 a.m. right here, okay? And then you click schedule the video. So as soon as your video is done uploading, it will save in your content. And then when tomorrow comes, your video will go public. You don't have to do anything. YouTube will send the video out for people to watch. So this is how easy it is to upload a video in 2025 if you're not monetized. So yeah, if you're interested in videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, and I'll be bringing you more videos. Until we meet again, bye.